price on that one. And Lily is mushy.
Well, damn.
You're picking your nose, you're on camera.
I gotta pick it. Got a treasure.
Treasure in the track for you.
That doesn't look promising.
Doesn't look promising at all. Yep, that's where we're at. Afraid the warm weather, those. Well, we're even running out of footsteps. we are in fresh tracks now. Hey, don't. Oh no! Oh shoot! Yeah, no. Oh shoot! You got it. Well, that's moose horn. It's still a couple weeks out, unless it goes cold. Was it cold? Okay. Next lake. There's two of them. Hang on!
You see him in there in the trees? Big old moose. Two of them. Oh. That's sweet.
Yeah. Well, it's capped. Beautiful day up here. Clouds are lifting off. Everything's looking good. This may just turn into a Mirror Lake report, but butterfly is capped. They've been kind enough to come up and plow the road for us. I have to thank my cousins keeping it plowed for us for a minute, but it doesn't look safe by any means. On Piper, I've got my cleats on. If I was to take a fall like that, it'd take me a month to get over it. Oh, you think you're going to venture out there? Putting the spikes on and everything, I don't know. Well, yeah, but I don't even think it's worth even trying it. Okay. That one took you up to your knees. I'll stay back here. Ew. Careful. Careful. Ooh, 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 you're sinking. You started to bowl out there. Yeah, I think we got a few days yet, and it's got to get cold. Cloud cover's got to come off. It's got to drop. We got to go into the single digits. But hey, somebody's been out there and punched a hole. Look at that, right straight out from you. Not me. Nope, 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 nope. Almost kind of looks like deer tracks, actually. He's getting close. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think you're still on solid ground there. Or are you out on ice right there? Well, you're getting thigh deep out there. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Yeah, no. Careful. I think it's just so mushy though. Easy, easy. No, 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 no. Yeah, well, you're gonna have to get naked if you go home wet. You're out there waist deep now. I ain't coming out there. That sounds more solid, but it's still cracking under you. It's still cracking under you. I can hear it. Not really. You punched through there pretty quick. Is that somebody actually cut a hole right there? Deer tracks? Your waist deep or better. Oh. Easy. 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 Yeah, it didn't take long for that water to slush you up. Yeah. All right. Well, there's your Mirror Lake Highway report. Later. Easy. Well, if you're going to go back out, then I'm keeping it running. And you're cracking and sinking at the same time. Your right foot went down a good 1.5 inches. Just all I know is your feet are sinking like that. I'm still not coming out there. I ain't coming out there. Don't fall in. Huh? You just can't stand it. He's got to go out there. Safety first with me not going out on 1.5 inch thick ice. Yeah, but there were 4 other guys out there. What do I just throw that thing out there and it comes out the butt end here? Does it just come out the butt end? The ring or the bag? Okay. Well, back up here on solid ground for a sec. And down he goes. No. Yes. But you're easily waist deeper right there. Woo-hoo! We have our first ice fish. Oh my goodness. Hold him up there. Nice. What's that? Oh. Hey? Well, you're sinking. Your boots keep getting deeper and deeper. I would maybe move around easy. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Yep. Oh. Oh, my goodness sakes. Well, there you go, folks. What I didn't get's a pick. Yep. All right. Well, we go back to safety of asphalt. So oh, I'm telling you, you're watching it just sink slowly down. Yep. Okay, if we stop down on one of the open lakes, we'll turn you back on.